Russia has finalized the agreement with an Indian company for the repair and maintenance of S-400 systems locally in India. Indian Air Force contingent has reached India after successful participation in Exercise Red Flag and joint exercises in Egypt and Greece. SAP Aerospace has emerged victorious in the open category of DRDO's TDF Dare to Dream 4.0 Innovation Contest to develop next-generation aero engines specifically designed to power combat drones. Bengaluru-based Alpha Design Technologies is demonstrating their swarm drones to the Indian Army. DRDO has successfully conducted 6 consecutive developmental trials of the Abhyas high-speed expendable aerial target with an improved booster. U.S. Deputy Secretary of State Kurt Campbell has announced that the U.S. Army will soon demonstrate the capabilities of the Stryker Armored Vehicle to the Indian Army. India's defense exports to the United States has grown to account for over 50% of the total exports, exceeding $2.8 billion during the last 5 years. The ITBP has started testing logistic drones for swifter movement of cargo in the Himalayas. Talks between India and Russia on Brahmos-2 hypersonic missile has hit a roadblock on several issues. Brahmos Corporation and Russia are grappling with technical and financial hurdles in developing the Brahmos-2 variant, but Russia's hesitance to fully commit to the project is a primary concern. The core of the disagreement lies in Russia's reluctance to share the transfer of technology for the scramjet engine technology, which is a significant roadblock to the project. The Russian demand for a higher price tag due to the advanced nature of the scramjet engine could potentially double the cost per unit compared to the current Brahmos supersonic missile. As per latest media reports, the initial estimated cost of the Stryker project is projected to exceed $1.5 billion, with each Stryker priced at a substantial $5 million. The initial order is expected to encompass around 300 units, spanning different variants of the Stryker family, and the potential for future orders and variant expansions remains high. A key component of this deal is the transfer of technology, which will facilitate the local production and assembly of the Stryker armored vehicles, as well as transfer of technical documentation necessary for the medium-term production of spare parts and the assembly of vehicles from the hull stage. The Price Negotiation Committee talks between India and US on the sale and transfer of technology for the F-414 engine will take place later this year in New Delhi. India plans to initially manufacture at least 400 F-414 engines locally, and the agreement is expected to be signed by early 2025, and initial deliveries of the locally manufactured F-414 engines from Hindustan Aeronautics are expected to start in 2028. The development of Archer NG medium-altitude long-endurance UAV has encountered a setback due to funding constraints. The Aeronautical Development Establishment was poised to secure fresh funds to initiate ordering crucial structures for the Archer NG. However, this has been stalled by a program review triggered by the TAPS UAV's shortcomings, which suggests that the Archer NG's future might be tied to the success of the TAPS ongoing improvements. Today's top 3 comments.